So this very educated lady, Giriraj Bala, she said that there was some kind of psychological problem with Twisha Sharma because she did not want to have kids. So she should see some psychologist or some other person because this is a basic construct of society. शादी हुई है, बच्चा होगा is the basic thing, and if she decides to not have a baby, then there's some mental or psychological issue with her.
My main question is that why is the entire family deciding whether the husband and wife wants to have a baby or not? What do you think?
It's a very valid question. Let's talk some sense on this.
What do you think?
I think it the major say should be of the women because she will be having the baby. She will be having all the bodily hormonal changes, a lot of life
Emotional changes.
emotional changes, physical changes. Maybe the financial burden is also equally distributed among both of these, but we cannot compare the financial burden and the emotional burden.
Emotionally as well as all the physical burden that she will go through, sleepless nights.
And it's not just the 9 months. After the 9 months, it's the women's responsibility. She has to wake up all night to feed the. It is the responsibility of the women to change the diapers and see everything about the baby. I think a major part of this decision to have a baby or not to have a baby should be given to the women.
It should be. I think it should be given to the women, but I feel like because it is a family construct हमारे society में, तो इसीलिए family की say बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है rather than an individual say.
Mostly the in-laws, they want their lineage to not destroy, as in they feel if the couple is not having a child, कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा.
And in this case, I feel like that the instead of thinking about or focusing only on the lineage, maybe you should think about the emotional readiness of the couple, and especially of the mother who is going to be a mother.
Very well said, I guess, but even after that, I think a lot of things need to be considered, as in the husband and wife together, are they a happy couple? Are their marriage fall in the category of a happy marriage? Does they have the capability to give a happy household to the newborn baby? Do they have good financial resources? Like for the first at least, I guess, 18 years, the financial burden is taken by the parents. You cannot just have a baby and let it कर्मा डिसाइड कि भाई इसकी किस्मत में जो होगा मिल जाएगा इसको. व्हाट इज योर से?
I think you're right, but वही वही चीज आ जाती है कि फिर फैमिली क्यों इतनी इन्वॉल्व हो रही है.
Very a lot of couples, they go for an early baby because they do not want the responsibility कि मुझे बच्चा संभालना पड़ेगा. तो जब तक दादा दादी हैं या नाना नानी हैं in their early ages, they can take the responsibility. In the early years of the baby, they will take care of it.
Yeah.
But so once I had a discussion with my maid. She said कि तुम्हें बच्चा पैदा कर लेना चाहिए, बाकी उसको तुम पैदा करने के बाद उसको अच्छी शिक्षा मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही है, उसको अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है, वो किस्मत के ऊपर होता है. जो उसकी किस्मत में होगा वो उसे मिल जाएगा. तुम्हें उसकी चिंता करने की जरूरत. That was her thought process. What do you want to say about it?
That is the reason why इतना interference होता है. If women have a strong thought process, I don't think any family member will have a say. Even if family member has a say, I think it should be only to maybe give a better future to the kid or the soon to be parent. I think in the Twisha's case, the mother was so accusative about it that I feel very sad for her.
And she was very young. I guess मैरिज एज है वो बढ़ा देनी चाहिए.
And I also feel like अगर वो लड़की इमोशनली स्टेबल मतलब इमोशनली रेडी नहीं है तो why force on her.
क्योंकि बेबी बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक होती है लड़कियों की. 30 के बाद बच्चा होगा नहीं होगा, उससे पहले बच्चा, ये भी चीजें होती है
तो
ना.
ये वो तो फिर वही चीज हो गई कि यार let the woman decide what she wants to do, whether she wants to keep the baby or not, whether she wants to even have the baby or not. Let the woman and the man decide. अब तुम्हारे डॉटर मदर इन लॉ वगैरह की उन्होंने तो कर लिया बच्चा पैदा, उनको पता नहीं क्यों अभी भी चुल लगी रहती है हमें.
बच्चा पैदा कर लिया और उस बच्चे को तुम कुछ सिखा नहीं पाए हो, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस नहीं सिखा पाए हो कि तुम एक लड़की से शादी कर रहे हो तो उसको किस तरीके से रखना चाहिए. यू कैन नॉट ट्रीट योर डॉटर इन लॉ लाइक अ कमोडिटी, like a baby machine.
like a factory.
or maybe an unpaid labor in your household.
Yeah.